Poor King. So wants to go. Smooch, did you just jump in that pool by yourself? Did you just jump right in? Come on, Dutch. Come on, Dutch. Drop it. Good boy. So Dutch is really motivated. You are the funniest. So after Dutch gets his ball, and he plays with it for a little bit, then he comes over here and he spits it out. And then acts really concerned when it leaves and he can no longer reach it. And then he'll paw the water. Oh my gosh. And then he'll jump out to get it. Seriously, we have to walk back through the house in order to go on our walk. You've got to be kidding. Dutch, I love you. You're the funniest. Okay, I guess my question is, would it be wrong of me to push him in to get this ball? I'm thinking the answer is yes. But, oh my God. I'm sorry, King. Do you want to go on a walk? I know. Sorry, buddy. Watch this. Ready? Oh. He has to be distracted first. That's a good boy. He uses that tail like a rudder. That's a good boy, Dutch. Maybe you'll lose some weight. I know. Look who's talking, lady. I could lose it, I know. Dutch, ready? You are the funniest. Look how good you're getting. I know. I'm hoping you'll be skinny by the end of the summer. What do you think? I know, I should probably go in there and swim with you as well. We both need to get skinny. That's a good boy. You gonna bring it here? Come here, Dutch. Dutch, bring it. Come on. Right here. Really? All the way. I'm not coming in there. That's a good boy. All the way. Come on. Let's go. That's a good boy. Drop. Oh, Dutch. All right, never mind. Fine, I won't throw it for you.